Welcome back to the channel for these videos as always. Quick boat update. Back over my boat. Just wanted to let you know that the windscreen has been rebonded. So under the screen you can see it's got new sealant that was dug out and put in. And then you can see where there's been new adhesive squirted into this forward as much as possible. I couldn't get all of this piece here where you can see it's still flaky stuff in there, but you can see that all the new sealant is in there. But the reason we're over the boat is because this is my last day of ownership of it after 5 years. So the new owner is going to get a vinyl strip made to measure to go around here to protect it from UV, from stopping that delamination in the future. And so we have completely gutted the boat of all of our personal belongings, and I'm just waiting for the new owner, who's a member of this club, to come over. It would have been great to go out today. The tide's just coming in and there's next to no wind, but yeah, can't help these things. I was supposed to be going down to Devon a couple of days ago to look at another boat, but unfortunately a medical emergency within the family meant I couldn't go, and I had to do a big shout out to Premier Inn. I booked an overnight down in Devon, and I didn't do the flexible booking, but when I phoned them to tell them the circumstances, they completely refunded the money. So big shout out to Premier Inn for that. So yeah, back to the story though. One final look at Seahound, my lovely Beneteau Antares 780, my very first boat. Yeah, I'm gonna miss using the boat, but this red department is one of the major issues, and the fact that you can't stand up straight in it. So just to show you why, if I get into here, right, let's get in here. That's me, but I'm having to literally bend my knees to get in here ever so slightly. It's been a great first boat, and I'm hoping that once we get past this small medical emergency with a family member, I can hopefully get down to Devon and have another look at this boat. So I've got, for the new owner, all of the manuals for the owner's manual, the manual for the spare outboard, the manual for the 150 outboard, the radio, the fusion system, the fridge, the toilet, navigation, everything in here. I've got the fuel lead for the spare fuel tank for the outboard, which is all in the locker out there. I've got an original toolkit that came with the boat, so that's there. I've got a spare set of keys from Clark and Carter from when I originally bought the boat up in Suffolk, and the main set of keys. So that's it. 5 years, brilliant memories. Yeah, end of a small era. But hopefully I'll be back in the new boating season with a new boat. But in the meantime, I will still keep taking some videos of the 1969 mega yacht rebuild and my brother-in-law's Catamaran resto mod, and any other things that are interesting down this club. But other than that, I'll see you on the next video, which I can't guarantee when it's going to be, but hopefully you'll stay tuned to the channel and keep hitting that like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care, bye bye.